Welcome to the Roboticist Chronicles, an ARC Specialties podcast, where we get into the nuts and bolts of robots, automation, and the implications of an evolving machine workforce.
Back at the FANUC booth, I want to talk to Mike Sharpe here because we're doing a couple things new at ARC Specialties. We're going to start doing some laser welding and laser cutting, and we're going to be working with FANUC for a reason. Explain what the advantage of FANUC robots when you get to lasers is.
So laser applications require precision and control. Laser is an energy source, and the energy source can be focused to a point. Whether you're cutting or welding, you want to have that precision, you want to have that control. The control is related to the process parameters as I come in and out of a corner to give me a constant heat input, constant deposition rate if you're welding,
right.
Whatever the application is. It's important to have that control tied to the motion. Secondly, the accuracy of the robot. We have new robots such as the M800, which are very accurate.
You're actually publishing an accuracy now, aren't you?
We are, plus or minus 0.1, and it's actually a bit better than that. So.
Right. And so back in the old days, robots were, you only quoted repeatability.
That's
I'm
correct.
glad to see you're quoting accuracy.
Yep, that's correct. So that accuracy of that robot allows you to set what you get. You know, you can accurately deposit material, accurately cut, and you can even use it for offline applications, offline programming, download and run.
So 0.1, that's millimeters. So
Yep.
So 4 thousandths.
Yep, 4 thousandths.
And you can do better than that.
Yeah,
I've actually
shown to be much better.
We're using your laser robots right now for plasma, and we're holding better than that.
Yep,
so
much better.
All right. So you've got a whole range of laser bots, right?
Yeah, the 20IB is probably the most popular. That's the fully enclosed robot. We developed that right from the beginning for hot stamp cutting, because hot stamp materials, which are hot pressed, they're highly martensitic, very, very aggressive, abrasive splatter, so to speak, that comes off the cut. That robot is fully protected for that. It's got covers, and that allows us to enter more of the automotive space. However, that robot is also very nimble and quick. Anything that's related to, or not related, but any application that has a welding head, 20 kilos or less, it's mostly cutting, maybe beam on plate, it's very well suited for that.
And what are we looking at here?
So this is the M800 robot that we just talked about. The M800 robot is carrying the brand new scanner, the FANUC LS3Di-A. This scanner is a FANUC Galvo optically controlled scanner, so it has an X, Y, and Z path control. We're showing a guided beam with a visible light just to represent what the capabilities are of this product. This product would be ideally suited for applications maybe to replace spot welding, thin metal joining, maybe additive applications with a powder bed. Any of those types of things could be done with this kind of a head.
By scanner, you're talking about a welding machine.
It is a high-powered scanner, correct. That fiber, if we had a laser source at the show, would be delivered to the end. Inside of there, we reflect and modulate that to position that beam very quickly and very precisely. Part of that modulation allows us to do zigzags and C-clips and different types of patterns. We can even write the FANUC logo or anything. You want to put ARC Specialties, we can write it out so you can use it as a part marker also.
So back in the old days, we had a very fixed focal length. So you're able to change the focal length on the fly.
I don't remember the exact parameters, but it's about 300 square by about 150 deep, maybe 300, I forget. But you can adjust that Z height. So the robot doesn't need to move in and out. You can actually do multiple steps, all with the programmability of this product. It's very fast.
A lot of things you can do with laser you can't do any other way. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks,
for your
Dan.
time. Thanks for coming on with us.
Thank you.